Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll discuss how to do environment setup for Selenium tool. So here I prepared these slides for your convenience, so that easily we can install all the tools and we can have the idea from where we need to download and how to install these tools. So this is our first slide where I'll let you know how many tools we need to install and from where we can install. So the first tool which we need is Java. First of all, we should have Java installed in our system. The second one is Eclipse IDE. It's Eclipse IDE which we'll use for writing our automation script. The third one is the Firebug and Firepath add-ons. These are the plugins for our Firefox browser, because for our upcoming tutorials, while we'll write automation script, we'll use Firefox browser. So these are the plugins which we'll use during writing our automation script for locating the web elements in the web page. So they will help us how to inspect and find the path and XPath, all those things, so which we'll discuss in the upcoming tutorials while we'll locate the web elements. And the fourth tool is Selenium WebDriver. So these are basically jar files which we need to install as per our OS architecture, like which OS we are using. So now first of all we'll focus on this download and install Java. So here in steps I mentioned how to install and from where we can install. So first of all, this is the link which we can open in any of the browser and we can download. So I'm just showing you, I already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install, but I'm letting you know what we need to do. Control C and we can open any browser. So here you go, Control V. So JavaScript. So then we need to click on this JDK, download this JDK. Right here we need to select the file as per the architecture of our system. So this one is the latest one, 8U66. So we need to select this accept license, which is our second step, as you can see here. Download section and select JDK, which we did. Select accept license ratio and then appropriate installation for the OS. So we can go here. So here you can see mine is Windows 10, which is for 64-bit operating system. So we need to download this as per my system requirement. I'll download this, and as per your system requirement you can download these any of these files, right? So these are exe files which you can run to install Java in your system. So click on exe file to launch the installation wizard and click next to continue. So in the upcoming dialogues, while you are installing the Java, then you need to follow all these steps, like select the features and click next. The user can choose the installer location, wherever you want to install, on your C drive or D drive. And the last and important step is how to verify the Java is successfully installed or not. So here you need to make sure you will open the command prompt and type Java. If you will see some output, then it means okay, Java is successfully installed. Otherwise it will throw an error unknown command. So that in this way we can make sure okay, Java is installed. So this is about Java. And the second slide is about our Eclipse IDE. So for Eclipse IDE, we need to go on this path. We need to navigate on this path. Control C. And here you can open a new tab. Control V. And downloads you can keep, or you can go there Eclipse and click on downloads. Yeah, so here you can see downloads. Click on this and you can install any version of this Eclipse IDE, but I would prefer if you'll install this Eclipse IDE for Java and DSL developer. so we can install this as per your requirement. For me it's Windows 64-bit, so we can it's also an it would be in zipped format, which we need to unzip. Here you can see like download button, and then unzip the zipped content. Locate eclipse.exe. so that unzipped folder will contain this eclipse.exe, and you can launch it by double clicking on it, right? So then like in Eclipse IDE you need to configure the workspace where you can keep your projects, right? Whatever the scripts or automation scripts you wrote, you can keep in that workplace. So that would be your workspace, sorry. So these are the 5 steps we need to follow for Eclipse. Then the third one is, I told you, Firebug and Firepath add-ons. So here we have two things. Either we can go to this URL, or we can open our Firefox browser if it is already installed in your system, right? So for me it has installed. Here you can go, and you can go here, add-ons, right? So add-ons, after typing add-ons, then you can search here, right, which add-on you want to install, like Firebug, F-I-R-E, Firebug. So this one you need to install, and Firepath, this one. So I already installed, that's why it's showing me disabled and remove. If it is not installed, then it will show install button, and by clicking on that we can install these add-ons. So these are the 2-3 steps which I already told you. So both the plugins have been installed successfully. Once you will click on install, it will install those plugins, which I'll let you in our upcoming tutorials how to use those plugins. The fourth is the Selenium WebDriver, like jar files, which is the most and important part. Like otherwise if we don't have these jar files, then we can't write automation script. So for Selenium WebDriver, we need to navigate this URL. Go to any of your browser, open this, right? So then click on download Selenium HQ. This is the right. Here you can see we have these Selenium client or WebDriver bindings. Here you can see they are specific to these languages. So in which language you are feeling comfortable, you can download these like client libraries for that file. I'm using Java in my upcoming tutorials, so I'll download Java, and I'll keep these files somewhere in my C drive. So once you'll download these files, that will be in zip format. Here you can see in the slides. So this will be in zip format. So unzip the zip format, and put the files somewhere in the C drive. So now we are done with the setup, and in our next tutorial we'll discuss how to make how to automate a script or write an automation script in the workspace using Eclipse IDE. And thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you for watching, and be in touch for the upcoming tutorials. Thank you.